In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay income taxes with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to review, and how to submit your payment confidently, all within QuickBooks Online. First, sign into your QuickBooks company and make sure you're in the right company file if you manage more than one. From the left-hand menu, open Taxes. This is your tax center, and it's where QuickBooks groups everything related to your tax obligations. Here, select Payroll Tax. In QuickBooks, payments connected to payroll, like federal and state income tax withholdings you've collected from employees, are managed in this payroll tax area. You'll see a list of upcoming and due liabilities. Find the specific tax you want to pay. Look closely at the description and the period so you're paying the correct item. For example, the monthly or semi-weekly federal income tax withholding, or the appropriate state withholding period. Check the due date and the amount shown. QuickBooks calculates these based on your payroll runs and settings. When you're ready, choose the tax you want to take care of and select Pay. This opens the payment window with the details pre-filled. Take a moment to review the amount. Verify the liability period, the total due, and the funding account that will be used for the payment. If electronic payments are enabled for your payroll taxes, you'll see the option to e-pay directly from QuickBooks. Confirm the payment date, ideally set it to process before the deadline to avoid penalties, and make sure there's enough money in the selected bank account. If anything doesn't look right, pause and double check your recent payrolls and tax settings before proceeding. It's much simpler to correct an amount now than to fix it after submission. When everything looks accurate, submit the payment. If e-pay is enabled, follow the prompts to confirm. You may be asked to verify details depending on your setup. Once submitted, you should see a confirmation that the payment has been initiated. The best part is that QuickBooks automatically tracks and records the payment for you. That means your payroll liability balances and your accounting registers stay up to date without extra data entry. Keep any confirmation number or acknowledgement for your records in case you need to reference it later. That's all there is to it. Go to Taxes, open Payroll Tax, select the tax you want to pay, click Pay, review carefully, and submit. With this workflow, your payments are timely, consistent, and properly recorded inside QuickBooks.